Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert area chart in Microsoft Word. So click on insert, then chart, and here select area, and here you can select any style, then click on OK. So this the way you can insert your area chart. Here in Excel file you can change and add your data, and close it. Here you can give any name for this chart. Here you can add some more options. Here once you click here, so you can add some more options, and once you click on this chart, once double click on it, so you can change the style. So thanks for watching.